Among them was one ship whose story would become particularly remarkable. In 1826, a vessel called HMS Erebus was launched from the Royal Dockyard at Pembroke Dock. Originally built as a warship, she would go on to explore Antarctica, help chart unknown regions of the globe, and eventually take part in one of the greatest and most tragic expeditions in British history. In 1845, Erebus sailed into the Arctic in search of the legendary Northwest Passage. Tragically, neither the ship nor her crew would ever return. For more than 160 years, her fate remained one of the world's greatest maritime mysteries. Then, in 2014, the wreck of HMS Erebus was finally discovered beneath the icy waters of the Canadian Arctic, bringing an extraordinary chapter of Pembrokeshire's history back into the spotlight. Today, on the Pure Pembs podcast, we're following the remarkable journey of HMS Erebus, from her construction in Pembroke Dock through her voyages to the ends of the earth, to her disappearance in the frozen north, and finally, her rediscovery almost 2 centuries later. On the 7th of June, 1826, a new Royal Navy vessel slid down the slipways of the Royal Dockyard at Pembroke Dock. She was named HMS Erebus. At first glance, there was little to distinguish her from many other naval vessels being built at the time, yet this newly launched ship would go on to become one of the most famous exploration vessels in history.